Today, I'm talking about my closet, specifically how I store things, how much I keep, and how I know when it's time to let things go. Let's get into the details. How I store clothes. Dresses, button-down shirt, cardigans, and blazers are all hung on hangers. One detail about my hangers is that they're all uniform. I love uniformity in an organizing system because it's so visually pleasing. My pants, shorts, and skirts hang on hooks, and I hang them by the belt loop or the top hem, and they all hang on one closet rod. My big bags, they're also hung on hooks. My smaller purses each have a cubby and a file folder divider. My long sleeve shirts are folded and filed upright Marie Kondo style. And I love doing it this way because I can see all of my options at a glance. I applied this same system to my short sleeve shirts and my tank tops and my workout tops and my workout bottoms. Again, being able to see all of my options at a glance is an appreciated detail. My undies are just thrown into a container in a drawer. I don't care to fold them, nor do I need to see them all at a glance because they are identical. One detail is that with one exception, they are all black. This eliminates any distress I have about potential stains. My bras are thrown into the same drawer as my undies. Pajamas thrown into a drawer. The same drawer also holds shapewear and strapless bras. Socks. The socks I wear daily actually don't live in my closet. They live in my shoebox that lives near the door. I am living my dream because I have many pairs of the exact same socks. I love being able to pull out any two socks out of the container knowing that they'll be a pair. And then, when one is ready to be discarded, the orphan sock still has many other mates to pair up with. I do not spend any time pairing socks, and I love that for me. Special sock styles like minimal show and wool socks live in a drawer. Off-season outer layers live in a hallway closet. I pull out of that closet and store into the closet as the seasons change. Shoes. Similar to my outer layers, the shoes that are seasonally appropriate live in my shoebox that is set up by the door. Off-season and special occasion shoes live in various other spots around my house. If there's any curiosity about how I store swimwear or rain or snow gear, let me know and I'll happily share. To determine how much to keep, I let two ideas guide my decisions. One is the container concept, and two is my willingness to maintain. I let the space determine how much I store. Because I let the space determine how much I store, I don't set concrete numbers for myself. Dana K. White, another woman on the internet, calls this the container concept. When she says container, she's referring to the physical space that contains or envelops the object or objects. In this case, my closet is the container for my wardrobe. My wardrobe currently exceeds its container, but one day I do aspire to have everything contained in this closet. Several pieces are stored elsewhere in the house, and I think Dana would say, great, if that's where you would look for it first. I let my willingness to maintain my storage solutions determine how much I store. For example, I no longer keep bins of off-season clothing and then swap out the clothes. I noticed that I would delay and I disliked the task, so I stopped doing it. Because I'm not willing to do that task, my entire wardrobe is accessible and ready to grab and go. This is at the expense of owning more, but it's a trade-off I'm willing to make. When to let go. I let two circumstances determine when it's time to let things go. Circumstance 1, when something new comes in. 2 is when I have a feeling of frustration. I aspire to habitually practice one in, one out, but I only do that occasionally. That feeling of frustration might be because my clothes are difficult to access. This is always because the container is reaching its limit and it's time to do some decluttering. The frustration might be knowing that an item in the closet doesn't belong. The frustration also might be coming across a piece that I haven't worn because it's damaged. And whether it gets repaired depends on my willingness to do so. A few FYI details about my wardrobe. I have committed to 3 colors for my clothes: white and blue and black. It's not a strict rule. I still have exceptions in my wardrobe, but I made this commitment because it has highly simplified the process of getting dressed. Some people may feel limited in creativity or self-expression by doing it this way, but I'm at peace with my style preferences. I aspire to dress in a composed manner, but trendy, I'm still wearing skinny jeans. Something I've noticed about applying tight limitations to what comes into my wardrobe is that the adding to my wardrobe process demands a lot more thought, more intention, and more consideration. Dedicating time to the research process is worth the easy maintenance of my closet for me. Thanks for letting me get nerdy about closet storage. I hope you stick around for the closet refresh. First thing that I'm going to do is actually start putting some of these clothes away.
These are clothes that I've worn and plan to wear again.
Okay.
The towels that I'm currently using live there. These go with dresses in the closet, and that one towel.
Closet tour now. The top 4 shelves here, that's off limits because those are my husband's clothes. But I'll be doing a pass through all of these drawers. Oh, my ideal would be to have nothing on the floor, but we shall see. And those are my hangs. And I know for sure that I have some I'm ready to let go. In my hand, I have a black garbage bag in case I find any garbage, and I have a donatable donation bag, and these are the only 2 supplies that I need whenever I use Dana K. White's no mess decluttering method, which is my favorite method because her no mess decluttering method can be done in any chunk of time and progress will always be made. A mess will not be remaining for me with the exception of garbage to take out and donation items to donate. So here I go. And I'm starting right over here because I know for sure that there's at least one piece of clothing I know I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let tight around my shoulders. So donation. There we go. I know I'm over it. Else will enjoy it. Pretty sure it's all polyester. Yep, 100% polyester. And I'm trying to move towards natural fibers. No need for that. Currently, this is my container of filming gear. I do want it to live in this closet, but I think that I might move it to the other side, so I'm just going to take it there now. These clothes are clothes that I can fit again, but I know that I'm ready to let a lot of them go. This dress, not natural fiber. Let that go.
Oh, this one is so cute. I'm not ready. I'm a little sentimental about this, so it always says
you can keep anything, you just can't keep everything, and I have the space for this.
This is very cute. All match. I know I'm going to keep that.
This pink dress. Donate.
I'm not letting this go. Oh, that's a nice dress. Okay, now I'm going to put it back where it was. I'm going to take the next one from under.
Ah, this is sentimental. Jacket, sports jacket. I was born in Buenos Aires, Argentina.
I'm going to hang on to these shorts. Hang on to those.
I did some more decluttering down there and reset some of the empty hangers. Way up here are my fancy shoes. Next shelf, the set of linens for our bed in our bedroom. This shelf has my long sleeve shirts and my boys' lalas. Actually, you know what? I'll do that right now.
Okay, 2 empty containers. This old luggage tag that I'm transferring.
And here are all my short sleeves. This is unflattering. I love this sweater. This shirt is going to be demoted to rags because that scene is really hard for me too. These are tank tops. Keep purses. Look at how I DIY'd. That's my genius invention. I get hooks and zap strap them so that they don't come apart, and then they are hung low enough for me to reach. All right, first sentimental piece of clothing.
These pair of pants are from the lightest I've ever been. I have the space for it, so I'm gonna hang on to them. Sentimental. Here's my wedding gown. I'm looking into getting it dyed, but right now it's just gonna stand straight. storage like that. Oh,
This is my mother's Korean wedding attire. It's called a hanbok. I feel like the filming of this is not very orderly. I lost some footage here, lost audio. We shall resume here.
I labeled Romina clothing sentimental. I brought a step stool from the bathroom, and luckily I have space up here to store this. Oh, this is my tripod, and this is sentimental. Move this to the other side of the closet.
Oh, the reason that it's not getting stored up is because occasionally at school, my boys will have
Jersey Day, Sports Day, and they like wearing that. They're hangers. This is my guitar case. Did it ever occur to me that I have a guitar case?
yes.
I found another one of these containers, so I labeled it Romina clothing sentimental lid pops.
If I can keep it dust free. That's sentimental.
This is sentimental as well, but I do wear this real occasional, so let's get this on the hanger.
I want all of these clothes to move over there.
So that all of this I can be dedicated to filming gear. I'm going to move these extra hangers to another room. These hooks I got from Home Depot years ago.
And I hook my pants on them.
Because I don't like folding up pants.
Jean cutoffs to let those go. White jeans. And I need to weave this on. The shape of the hook won't fall off the rod.
These overalls are cute.
Not super easy to pee in.
Let those go. Tripod bag, filming gear. And I will stack those ones under so that...
So where would be a good place? Downstairs, off the room.
I don't use the scale often. I'm not ready to let it go. There's a drawer in the bathroom where the other scale lives. So I'll put them together. There's enough space in there.
So if the other one breaks, we'll start using this one.
I would love this to be not stacked.
For easy access. All right, let's do drawers. This drawer is labeled undies and bras. Satisfied with that. Pajamas, but I
Store things that I want to take up to our family Whistler cabin. That's some hair rollers.
these are DIY. These are not even worthy of rags. They are going to the garbage. So this is where my socks live.
These are stockings.
Vivian Saavis, I still have your socks. I will not give up. IMAS donation. Didn't even occur to me that I had these. So donation something. Okay, workout tops.
I'll hang this up with the other Canuck shirt. Every child matters.
Let this go. Thermal layer. One. Okay, so I have two thermal layers. One can go up to Whistler. It didn't even occur to me that I own it, but I will. Volleyball shirt. Those are bottoms. Let's have a look at the current status. Sentimental clothing up there, some fancy shoes, bed linen, sentimental, long sleeves, short sleeves, tank tops, undies and bras, pajamas, DIY clothes, workout bottoms, loose parts that are very special to me that my kids have limited access to. Toys and accessories that I don't use very much. Clothing that I want to integrate into the closet proper during the next pass. Log cabin blanket, filming gear, tripod. Usually my tripod just lives right over there. My purses, clothing, and remaining tasks. Donation box, garbage.